Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to talk about time in Danish. Time in Danish is tid. Alkoholmisbrug er et af vores tids største samfundsproblemer. Jeg har venner fra min tid i København, but for our purposes, we need the word klokken. Hvad er klokken means what time is it right now. If you say hvad tid er det, what time is it, literally, the question has a slightly different meaning. So make sure you don't translate it directly from English, because hvad tid er det has little to do with current time. Let's say you have a friend, and your friend just happens to have an extra concert ticket. So they ask you if you'd like to go and see it with them. Maybe. If you want to ask them what time is the concert, hvad tid er det is the expression you're looking for. Hvad tid er koncerten? Otherwise, it's hvad er klokken? In polite speech, it may sound like this. Undskyld, ved du hvad klokken er? Excuse me, do you know what time it is? In order for you to understand time in Danish and to talk about it, your knowledge of Danish numbers must be rock solid. Make sure it is before things start to get confusing. Let's start off with the good old-fashioned 12-hour analog clock face. When the long hand makes a full circle, it's an hour, or in time, 8 timers søvn. 8 timers søvn. When the thinnest hand makes a full circle, it's a minute, or 1 minut. Bare 5 minutter mere. Bare 5 minutter mere. The thinnest hand shows seconds, or sekunder. Hvert sekund. Hvert sekund. Der er 60 minutter i en time. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Der er 60 sekunder i et minut. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Now, let's look at the clock itself. Klokken er 1. Klokken er 2. Klokken er 3. Klokken er 4. Klokken er 5. Klokken er 6. Klokken er 7. Klokken er 8. Klokken er 9. Klokken er 10. Klokken er 11. Klokken er 12. Klokken er 12. Præcis. Good. That was pretty easy. Now let's add minutes. Everything in this area from 12 to 3 is going to be over. Klokken er 5 minutter over 7. It is 7:05. Klokken er 10 minutter over 7. It's 7:10. This area from 9 to 12 is going to be E. Klokken er 5 minutter i 7. It is 6:55. Klokken er 9 minutter i 7. This and this are going to be kvarts, 15 minutes. Kvart over and kvart i. Klokken er kvart over 12. It is 12 and 15 minutes. Klokken er kvart i 12. It is 15 minutes to 12. This here is half. And I want you to listen to me carefully, because in Danish it is always half to next hour instead of half past the current hour. Klokken er 12:30. It is 12:30. Klokken er 12:30. Klokken er 3:30. Klokken er 4:30. Klokken er 5:30. Klokken er 6:30. Klokken er 7:30. Klokken er 8:30. Klokken er 9:30. Klokken er 10:30. Klokken er 11:30. Klokken er 12:30. Always half to. In this area, we also have i halv and over halv. Klokken er 5 minutter 10:30. Klokken er 5 minutter over 10:30. 20 and 40 are going to be 20 over and 20 i. Klokken er 20 minutter over 12. Klokken er 20 minutter i 12. If you're still with me, let's recap. Hvad er klokken? Klokken er 12. Klokken er 5 minutter over 12. Klokken er 10 minutter over 12. Klokken er 15 minutter over 12. Klokken er 20 minutter over 12. Klokken er 5 minutter i halv 1. Klokken er halv 1. Klokken er 5 minutter over halv 1. Klokken er 20 minutter i 1. Klokken er 15 minutter i 1. Klokken er 10 minutter i 1. Klokken er 5 minutter i 1. Klokken er 1. Remember that in Denmark there is no AM or PM. Normally you would use the 24-hour system, and you can say numbers as you see them on a digital clock. This is going to be 13:10, 13:30, 13:40, 13:50, 13:55. You can also split these 24 hours into 12 and 12. Say, you see 1600 hours, and you can either call it 16:00 or klokken 4 om aftenen. Which brings me to my next point. Since you're not going to be using AM and PM in Danish because they don't exist, what you want to use instead is expressions such as om morgenen, in the morning, om formiddagen, during the later hours of the morning, om eftermiddagen, in the afternoon, om aftenen, in the evening, om natten, at night. Notice that all of these expressions start with the preposition om. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now. Det er 60 minutter i en time. What the f? Det er 60 minutter i en time. There's 60 minutes in an hour.